Shania's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Sumasayaw sa tuwa, ganyan ang feeling. Bida ang saya, tayo tayo, sanbida ang bata. Tayo tayo, masaya, bida ang saya.
Pilayan tuloy.
Alright, we invite Mommy and Daddy to celebration. Before the glory candle, close your eyes and make a wish. Alright, Mommy and Daddy, close your eyes and make a wish before the glory candle. Alright, 1, 2, 3, blow your candle. Palakpakan naman everyone! Alright, Mommy and Daddy, si Jollibee po meron ng birthday wishes para kay Shania. Alright, Jollibee, excuse na lang si Ma'am Jollibee, excuse me. Alright, Jollibee, ilan yung birthday wishes na para kay Shania? Okay, everyone, sabay-sabay request na po si Jollibee. Okay, ready for the first wish? Okay, apat pa yung daliri mo, Jollibee, kahit bilangin mo, apat lang yan. Okay, Jollibee, for the first wish, nagsisinaya daw may ay lalaban lumaki, at lalaban lumaki, at lalaban lumaki, at lalaban lumaki. Ano yung Jollibee? Dami naman nun. Okay, Jollibee na birthday wishes mo, at lalaban lumaki, hindi, at lalo-lalo hindi, at lalo-lalo hindi, magbe-birthday saan, magna-drive thru saan, kakain saan, dun sa best friend niya. Paano pa naman everyone? Nagsisimula sa letter M, nagtatapos sa letter O. Bawal pa namin sabihin ang pangalan, baka matagal kami ng kontrata. Alright, for the second wish, nasa siya na may ay lalabalabanghi, matalino at, matalino at maabot ang kanyang pangarap at layo, paano pa naman ang iwan?